How to transfer playlists from YouTube to Spotify. If you want to transfer playlists from YouTube to Spotify, there are reliable third-party tools that make the process quick and easy. Services like Tune My Music, SoundEase, and Free Your Music let you connect both your YouTube and Spotify accounts, so you can move your favorite playlists without doing it manually. Once you're connected, just select the YouTube playlist you want to transfer. Choose Spotify as a destination and start the process. The tool will automatically match and move the songs over. It's a convenient way to keep your music collection in sync across platforms, especially if you're switching from YouTube to Spotify or want to consolidate your playlists in one place. Before using third-party tools, ensure you understand their terms and conditions, as some may require access to your accounts. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.